If you want to gain weight, it's very important to do it right. Binging on soda and donuts may help you gain weight, but it can destroy your health at the same time. If you're underweight, you want to gain a balanced amount of muscle mass and subcutaneous fat rather than a lot of unhealthy belly fat. There are plenty of normal weight people who get type 2 diabetes, heart disease and other health problems often associated with obesity. Therefore, it's absolutely essential to eat healthy foods and live an overall healthy lifestyle. Here we discuss some healthy meals that may help you to gain weight in a healthy way. Number 1. Homemade protein smoothies. Drinking homemade protein smoothies can be a highly nutritious and quick way to gain weight. Making your own smoothies is the best way since commercial versions are often full of sugar and lack nutrients. It also gives you full control over the flavor and nutrient content. Number 2. Milk. Milk has been used as a weight gainer or muscle builder for decades. It provides a good balance of proteins, carbs, and fats and is a good source of calcium, as well as other vitamins and minerals. For those trying to add more muscle, milk is an excellent protein source that provides both casein and whey proteins. Research has even shown it can help you add muscle when combined with weightlifting. Additionally, studies have found that milk, or whey and casein combined, can lead to greater mass gain than other protein sources. Try drinking 1 or 2 glasses of whole milk as a snack, with a meal, or before and after a workout if you're training. Milk smoothies are also a delicious way to add milk to your diet. For an easy morning protein boost, try blending up 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It contains about 275 calories. Number 3. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are perfect choices if you're looking to gain weight. Just 1 small handful of raw almonds of 1/4 cup contains 170 calories, 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and 15 grams of healthy fats. Since nuts are very calorie dense, just 2 handfuls per day with a meal or as a snack can quickly add hundreds of calories. You can add nut butters to a variety of snacks or dishes, such as smoothies, yogurts, and crackers, to turn them into a high-calorie snack in no time. If you have a peanut allergy, substitute another nut butter. However, make sure you pick 100% nut butters with no added sugar or extra oils. Number 4. Red meats. Red meats are probably one of the best muscle-building foods available. For example, 6 ounces or 170 grams of steak contains around 5 grams of leucine. Leucine is the key amino acid your body needs to stimulate muscle protein synthesis and add new muscle tissues. It also contains 456 calories and nearly 49 grams of protein. In addition to this, red meats are one of the best natural sources of dietary creatine, which is possibly the world's best muscle-building supplement. Consider choosing fattier cuts, which provide more calories than leaner meats, helping you take in extra calories and add weight. Both lean and fatty meats are a great source of protein, though fatty meat provides more calories, which can help you gain weight. Number 5. Potatoes and starches. Potatoes and other starchy foods are a very easy and cost-effective way to add in extra calories. Not only do potatoes and other starches add carbs and calories to help you gain weight, they also increase your muscle glycogen stores. Glycogen is the predominant fuel source for most sports and activities. Many of these carb sources also provide important nutrients and fiber, as well as resistant starch, which can help nourish your gut bacteria. Number 6. Salmon and oily fish. Like red meat, salmon and oily fish are excellent sources of protein and important healthy fats. Out of all the nutrients that salmon and oily fish provide, omega-3 fatty acids are among the most significant and well-known. They offer numerous benefits for your health and help fight diseases. You can prepare salmon in a variety of ways: steamed, sautéed, smoked, grilled, baked, or poached. You can also try smoked salmon or even eat raw salmon in sushi and sashimi. Number 7. Protein supplements. Taking protein supplements is a common strategy for athletes and bodybuilders who want to gain weight. There are many types available, including whey, soy, egg, and pea protein. Whey protein supplements and mass gainers can be very easy and cost-effective strategies to gain weight, especially when combined with strength training. Some people think whey protein is unhealthy or unnatural, but this isn't the case. Whey protein is made from dairy and has been shown to help improve health markers and reduce the risk of disease. Protein supplements may be even more important if you're also training, since your daily protein requirements increase. The easiest way to add protein powder into your diet is with a protein smoothie, especially for breakfast. That gives you the rest of the day to add in nutritious meals and snacks to make sure you get a balanced nutrient intake. Generally, a smoothie that you make yourself will be more nutritious than buying one that's ready-made, which may have added sugar and flavorings. Add 1 or 2 dates to smoothies, sauces, and dressings for a touch of sweetness. Number 8. Avocados. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats. Unlike other whole fruits, avocados are fairly calorie-dense and therefore a great food to help you gain weight. Just one large avocado provides around 322 calories, 29 grams of fat, and 14 grams of fiber. Avocados are also high in vitamins, minerals, and various beneficial plant compounds. Try adding avocados to your main meals and other dishes such as omelets or sandwiches. Number 9. Healthy cereals. Healthy cereals can be an excellent source of carbs, calories, and nutrients. While you should avoid processed, high-sugar cereals, healthier forms, such as oatmeal cooked with whole milk, can be a great carb source to add to your diet. You'll get about 130 calories from a 1-cup serving of cooked oatmeal, plus the calories in any whole milk or toppings you add. Grain-based cereals and oats also contain beneficial nutrients such as fiber and healthy antioxidants. With these healthy meals it is possible to achieve your goal, which is gaining weight. Don't forget to share your experience with us in comment section below.